Hi, I'm Simi. Welcome back to my channel, Simi's Life Delay. Today, I'm not gonna gatekeep anything and share you everything that I do to maintain my curly hair and when did I start all of this. I'm just a simple girl that has had problems with her curly hair ever since school. I used to notice everyone had straight hair and I used to be like, यार मेरे को अब नींद से उठ के आई हूँ ऐसे लगते थे मेरे बाल. 2 years ago from now, I noticed that my hair that was coming after a treatment. Uh, I had nanoplasty in 2022, and after that, the hair that started coming back came curly. But it was no surprise to me. Back in school, in college, I already had baby curly hair. The new hair growth came यहाँ तक. I had like यहाँ तक curly hair, यहाँ से straight ends. It was like one of the worst periods that I've had for my hair, and I just gave up. I thought यार ये तो आप ऐसे वापस straight करवाने पड़ेंगे. But then I started uh, oiling my hair, started to grow it on the roots, and then जब वो curls यहाँ तक आ गए, I chopped off my hair. तो जो भी कलर प्रोडक्ट और ट्रीटमेंट वाले बाल थे, आई जस्ट चॉप देम. व्हाई? बिकॉज इफ यू हैव डेड रूट्स ऑन द एंड्स ना, they start to affect the length about those hairs. So if you don't have healthy ends, then I saw videos on internet, ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए, ऐसे करना चाहिए, वैसे करना चाहिए. So after chopping my hair, now all I had was virgin hair. Where I finally ordered some products for me, and of course I saw YouTube videos, I saw Instagram videos where they say that you have to use a shampoo, conditioner, then go for a curl cream, then go for a gel, then you. I did all of that, but it was weighing down my hair. It was very heavy for my hair. My hair is very thin and I needed lightweight products. तो जो इंटरनेट पे था वो सारे कर्ली प्रोडक्ट्स है, लाइक देयर फॉर प्रॉपर ऑयली कर्ल्स. व्हाट आई हैड वाज मिड वेवी हेयर, लाइक मेरे सारे बाल कर्ली नहीं है. Following the curly girl method, but that didn't work for my hair. My hair was very thin, and considering my sister side by side also had curly hair, the curly girl method was working for her, but it did not work for me. I needed something that was lightweight, something that was easy, something that was not very ऐसे चिपकू products जो बहुत ज़्यादा heavy थे, वो मेरे बालों को weigh down करते. Your hair is meant to be flowy, your hair is meant to fly. So first, to start my wash day, I wash with these two shampoos. Sometimes it is the Oxy shampoo and sometimes it's the Best Life shampoo. Now this is a very gentle shampoo. If you're using this shampoo, I would recommend you to go for this 3 times a week, and for the fourth wash, go with something that has sulfate, because हमारे यहाँ बहुत मिट्टी है. ये मिट्टी निकालना इसका काम नहीं है. This is a very gentle shampoo. You need to go for something that's a little strong, otherwise the dirt in your scalp makes you itch. At least for me, it was so. This is also very good, but I wanted to try Moxie because they particularly claim that it is for curly and wavy hair. So when I used to follow the curly method, I had this, but you can in general also use this one, even if you have curly hair or not. For conditioners, if you have thin hair like me, you need something that's very light in texture, not very thick, not something that weighs down your things. So I had these two. In comparison to both, I would suggest the Moxie one. It is very hydrating. It's very creamy. Uh, it just softens my length. And Sugar Boo, it is cost effective. It is also not very thick. If you use it in moderation, it won't weigh down your hair. Plus, this has a very good scent. And when I started using this, I remember everyone used to come and ask me, why do you smell so good? It is just the conditioner's खुशबू. अब मैं सबको जाके बोलती थी, it's from my hair. Now make sure when you're washing your hair, you just put the shampoo on your scalp. Don't shampoo your length, and vice versa for the conditioner. When you're putting the conditioner, just put it on the lens, skip the roots, skip the scalp. You will see the clumps forming in between your hair when it's wet, and you just put the conditioner like this. When you have these fingers, it makes sure that all of your hair gets the nourishment of a conditioner. And then once the conditioner is completely evenly applied, all you have to do is scrunch. Scrunch. Very gently, ऐसे ऐसे नहीं करना है. Very gently, just scrunch. Make sure you take it to the scalp when you're scrunching. It makes sure that if there's any curl formation, it comes from the top. Now, I have curl formation here, but I don't have it here. So once you're done with your shampoo and conditioner, I like to come and wrap my hair in this. It's like a microfiber towel machine, and it's the actual same length that I have, so it's very useful for me. I just put it on my head, wrap my hair like this, and just lock it basically on my head. And I do other things till that comes out of it is frizzy. Now I would not lock my frizzy hair with the styling products, right? So once again, we go in with a hairspray. I like to use these two products. Now this is a curl defining gel by Curl, and this is fix my curl quenching jelly hair. I use tea amount for both of these and mix them together. Now this is where I save time actually. I mix them together, I emulsify them properly, and I divide my hair in two parts. I just go like this. If you want, you can do this, but I like to go first like this. Now, when the product is evenly divided between these, I like to go like this once and twice. After this, I like to go like this. So the product is evenly divided between all of my hair strands. 2 3 times like this. The next move is crunching your hair. To scrunch like this, partner like this, scrunch, partner like this, and scrunch. After like this, shake it and let it come out. Okay, so now after this is done, my hair is divided into two parts. What I do is take this part and clip it. If I'm going out, I would like to use a blow dry that has a diffuser, but it cuts down my length and I don't really like that. So I try to air dry my hair only. If not, I have this Allen Klineka brush. If I don't have that diffuser and I don't have the energy to hold कितनी देर वो hair dryer से बाहर रखने के लिए, this I sometimes use this. This is a leave-in conditioner. Now, what is the difference between a conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and a curl cream? Conditioners are used in washes. Leave-in conditioners are for aftercare or styling. And between a curl cream and a leave-in conditioner, curl cream is very thick, and leave-in conditioner is mild on your hair. And plus, considering I don't want my curls to weigh down, I use this. This is on the days when I don't have to go out. I just have I just want my hair to look natural and healthy, and I just don't want the frizz to come. This is the product that I go to. If I'm going out, if I want to take pictures and all of that, I use this. Now, since we're using a jelly, or even if we're using just this product, it will give a cast on layer. What is cast? Cast is, a thick layering that you put around your hair. Now, we don't want that thick layering on your hair. Na? So, we use a oil or a serum, something in that form that actually helps you soothe out and smoothen your hair. This is a very good product. It's not very oily. It's not very. It's like a serum formula, but it gives a lot more shine than the serum. Serum has less shine, and for my hair, this is very oily. So I use it in a very small quantity. Sometimes I mix these two together, so it becomes very easy. And now, of course, if you're using mild products for your hair so that your hair doesn't weigh down, uh, it might last for 1.5 or 2 days max. My hair lasts not doesn't last more than 2 days. Like this is my second day of hair wash. Third day पे तो ये दिखने लायक भी नहीं बचेंगे. So I need something that I can restyle my product or refresh my curls. I have these two products, very good products. I had no idea कि refresh इतना easy हो सकता है. On the fourth day of my hair or day of my hair, due to sweating, I have a lot of sweating in my scalp, especially यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे. So I have grease that comes. I have this buildup that makes me itch. So because of that, I like to refresh my hair again. So this is a very good dry shampoo. I have been using this for more than 3 months now, and I really like. मतलब जिस दिन बाल वॉश करना नहीं हो रहा है, बस तुम एक ये प्रोडक्ट यूज करो, ये प्रोडक्ट यूज करो. This is sorted for the scalp and this is sorted for the length. Curl Jelly Activator Spray. It's actually lightweight gel. It's in the form of spray. It's in the form of water. It's actually jelly. All I have to do is on my dry hair, I have to just spray it, scrunch my hair, done. So that's it for today. I hope that you will not straighten your hair anymore and just follow your natural hair wherever your natural hair takes you. That's it. Bye bye. Love you. Take care of your girls.